Welcome to ZAVIOR, the mobile app made by ZAVIOR. Before you can use the app, you'll need to create an account. To do that, you need to open ZAVIOR and then click on Get Started. Under Create Account, type in a username and password of your choosing and provide a valid email address. Click Submit to create your account. Now head over to your email program and check the inbox for the email that you can see on the screen. If it isn't there yet, you may need to wait a few minutes. Also, be sure to check the spam folder of your email program, as automated emails often end up in there. Click on the Confirm link in your email and then open the ZAVIOR app once more. Click on Get Started and under Sign In, type in the username and password you previously set up. Click Sign In and you're done. You have successfully created an account for the ZAVIOR app. Next, we're going to add some devices. There are two ways of going about this. First, we're adding a device using the Wi-Fi search function. In ZAVIOR, open the Device Manager and then click on Add Device. Select Wi-Fi Search and then click on Search. ZAVIOR displays all compatible cameras that can be located in the wireless network. Select the camera you wish to add, or you can select multiple cameras and add them to the setup at the same time. If you'd rather add the camera using the QR code, you can do that as well. Go back to the Device Manager and just like before, click on Add Device. Now select QR code and scan the code. Provide username and password in order to add the camera to the ZAVIOR setup. In order to delete the camera, click on the trash can icon located in the top right of the Device Manager. Select the camera that you want to delete and then click on Delete. Next, we're looking at some of the features of ZAVIOR concerning its live view. Click on the camera icon in the top right of the live view screen. That will open up the device list. Here you can select or deselect any of the available cameras. Click on the back button in the top left corner to return to the live view to see the updated display. The device list screen also allows sorting the cameras. Click on Sort, then swap the positions of the cameras by dragging them up and down the screen. Click Save and then back in order to see the updated results. ZAVIOR also allows controlling a pan-tilt camera from the live view screen. Select the camera that supports pan and tilt control and bring it to the full screen. Then on the bottom toolbar, locate the pan and tilt icon next to the speaker symbol. Click it and the pan-tilt controls will appear on the screen. Use the arrow keys in order to control the movement of the camera. If your ZAVIOR camera is equipped with an optical zoom lens, you can control the zoom factor from within ZAVIOR. On the bottom toolbar, click the right arrow to open up the zoom control slider. Move the slider to the left in order to zoom in and to the right to zoom out. For a more intuitive control of the zoom, you can also use the pinch to zoom function. If your ZAVIOR camera is equipped with an SD card for local storage, you can use ZAVIOR's Playback menu to access those recordings. There are scheduled recordings and recordings created by events. Access the scheduled recordings by clicking the icon in the lower left corner of the app. This will open up a list of scheduled recordings. Click on the calendar icon in the lower left in order to change the date and time. If video can be found, you can change the timeline on the bottom of the screen to view the part of the video you are interested in. If there are events available for the camera, it is indicated by the blue number next to the E icon in the lower right corner. Click it in order to open up the details for the recorded events, and click the play button in order to view the recording. Finally, you can also locate recorded events with the event list function. This list shows all available recordings in chronological order. Click an event and the recorded video will start playing. Finally, we're taking a look at ZAVIOR's recording features. With ZAVIOR, you can record video and save snapshots on your mobile phone. In order to take a snapshot, select the camera in a live view and then click on the camera icon on the bottom of the screen. Open up the Video Manager in order to play back the saved snapshots. You can also record video clips of the live video and store them on your phone. Just like before, select the camera in the live view and then click on the small video camera icon on the bottom of the screen. Click the icon again in order to stop the recording. Later you can access the recordings via the Video Manager. This concludes the overview of ZAVIOR, the mobile app made by Zavio.